Hi everyone, this is Suman from Taj Building Group. Today we are in Narrabundah. This is our fourth knockdown project in Narrabundah, and this is a very different kind of facade. As you can see, this is the French style facade of the house. So there's a lot of client moving in existing suburb which are close to the amenities, like there's a good schools close to the Narrabundah. There's Narrabundah College, Canberra Grammar School, lot of community people moving here. So if you have any plan to build a house in Narrabundah, we are happy to help you out from design to finish, from demolition to handover. So this house nearly getting finished. We are waiting for the stays, and we got this door from overseas on the special request of the client. If you want something like that, which is specific requirement, we can help you to achieve that goals or whatever you want to do for your house. We are custom design builder, so please let us know if you want to build in Narrabundah or around. We are happy to help you, and we will put the final video once house is finished, which is happening very soon.